So in the previous video, you saw the comparison between deep search and the think feature, and you also know now how to ask Grok questions, which is actually a very basic thing to do. Now, for this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best detailed answers from Grok. So we're just going to use this prompt that I've done here. So it's just the same, what can Grok do? So we use the think feature, thought for 9 seconds. Then in here, as you can see, it used 37 seconds and scraped information from 14 sources. And it even validated all of those information. So first, in order to get the very detailed answers from Grok, you need to formulate a question properly, like in the exact way that you want it. So let's just say, can you tell me um our progress in fighting cancer? Or let's just let's be general here. So fighting cancer. Then we're gonna use the deep search, of course, because as you can see, it's way more detailed. So let's see how this one fares out. Okay, so it's giving us resources. It's showing how it's acquiring more information and how it's validating those information, if those are correct, if those are up to date. So let's see what kind of answer do we get with that simple question. And please do not forget that we're using the deep search feature of Grok. And I only have 10 free questions just before it cuts me off and pushes me to subscribe. All right. But that's one of the things that I like about Grok, because it gives us some space to play with. It gives you the 10 free prompts, which is actually really, really good for me. I don't want to complain. Though it would be better if it had a completely free version. But, having this kind of tool that can supply you with real time information, that can validate its own answers, can fact check and cross check information, is really a great tool to have in your arsenal if your job or your tasks from day to day would absolutely use this kind of tool. So let's see. Okay, we have a lot of information now. Okay, it's just flooding the whole screen. Let me see first. Okay, it acquired an answer within 1 minute and 10 seconds. And as you can see, it gives us key points, an overview, and a lot of stuff in here. So that's how you get a very detailed answer. It's not even finished yet, but this video is about to finish. But that's how you get a very detailed answer from Grok. And do not forget, the deep search feature is your best friend when you need detailed data and detailed answers. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are up to date with our newest videos. This is Josh. I'm going to see you on the next one.